Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be going by bike to Dharwad because of some emergency document collection. And it is around 5:05 and today is 2nd August. So let's go. And it is raining heavily but I don't have any other option. That's why I'm going by bike. Way and coming I'll be leaving at around 5:15 and I'll be coming back around 4 to 5 o'clock in the evening. So let's go. I don't know how much you all can hear me, but as I told you all before, I don't have any mic right now. So whatever it's going to record from the internal mic. हर हर शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो श्री गिरिजापति भव शिव शंकर शंभो 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 ओम नमः शिवाय गणपति मोरया. So I have just reached Molen right now. Okay, during rains it becomes a problem for the two-wheelers to ride. So that's the reason I had left little bit early, but it was my fault as from Topkola, the bypass of Ponda, from there till Khandepar there was no street light at all. So whatever was coming, whichever vehicle was coming from in front was making a quite difference because I couldn't see in front whatever was there, and I almost hit a cow. I literally almost hit a cow over there. So I'll be waiting at Molen for 5 minutes for the sun to come up more. Chalo. As you can see, this place so damn pretty, and I'm waiting over here for more 5 minutes. It's all foggy guys, it's all foggy over here, so pretty. Waiting over here was mandatory as my head was spinning, as my camera and my head my head is small, so the weight of my helmet is quite heavy. That's why waiting every half an hour or every hour is mandatory for me. I don't know if it's visible or not, but I don't know if you can hear me also or not, but it is 50% visibility. All the clouds are on the mountains. just waiting at the toll right now and having tea. So I'll be waiting again for 5 minutes over here, having tea, and then I'll be leaving after 5 minutes. I took more than 5 minutes break. I've taken 15 minutes ka. Now we are going to do water crossing. Another water crossing. Now I just reached Ramnagar. This is the circle, and that road goes to Khanapur, and this road goes to Hubli Dharwad. Now I'll be heading out over here. The time is around 8 o'clock right now. So in 45 minutes I reached from what you can say, the checkpost to Ramnagar. Chalo, let's go. It's a fox. It's a fox. It's a fox. It's a fox. Lumdi, lumdi. Another 5 minutes break has been taken over here just to see this view. Look at this. Look at this view. Harsh green over here, so pretty. And my bike, it looks so pretty. So let's ride again. We have reached Dharwad. In more few minutes we'll be reaching our place. Okay, we have reached our destination. This is our destination for today. हाल शिकबोद रे ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ಓಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೊಂಟು ಬಾಯ್ ಹರ ಹರ ಶಂಕರ ನಮಾಮಿ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಿರಿಜಾಪತಿ ಭವ शिवशंकर शंभो शंभो काका. Just finished with my work and heading out. I was at Thaku's Peda. I got some pedas. So heading out home. It's about 4:12 now. I'll be leaving around in 5 minutes to Goa. So I was at this shop for the peda, the Harvard peda. I've taken and I'm leaving right now. कैसा है, धारवाड़ आते हो और पेड़ा नहीं लिया तो नहीं जमता है, तो लेना तो पड़ता है. ये मेन जंक्शन है, उधर जाएंगे तो हुबली मिलेगा, इधर जाएंगे तो गोवा मिलेगा. इन फ्रंट आई डोंट नो, अगर आगे जाएगा तो क्या मिलेगा पता नहीं मुझे. If you go from right, you will get a new bus stand. If you go from left, it goes to the highway to Goa. We get one Y road over here. अगर राइट जाओगे तो बेळगाव जाओगे, खानापुर बेळगाव. अगर लेफ्ट जाओगे तो गोवा. गोवा straight and बेळगाव right. I don't know what is doing. There are so many monkeys over here. आणि पट्टा देखो पट्टा काय. रामनगर एक पेट्रोल पंप ಐತ್ ರೀ. रामनगर पेट्रोल पंप ಐತೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ 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 ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹಾಂ, ರಾಮನಗರದಿಂದ ಟೋಲ್ ಮಠ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪಂಪ್. ನಾ ಗೋವಾದಿಂದ ಧಾರವಾಡದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಾತೀನಿ. ಈ ಗೋವಾ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಅದ ಎರಡು ಟಿಕ್ಕ ಇದ್ದು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. 1 ಲೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ? 103. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಬೈಕರ್ ಕಿಡ್. ಹಾಂ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅದು. ಬೈಕರ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಹಸಿಗೆ PRITESH ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದ ಹಾಂ, ಅದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾ ಶೂರ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್. Really?
Pyro, yes. Why arrow?
And I met another YouTuber. He's a gaming channel. Mine is a riding and traveling. And his gaming channel is PUBG. You see that toll? From there, the road is very bad. From there, the real struggle starts. This toll is the main problem. Yeah, we are getting ready for Leh Ladakh trip. This is just a warm up. This is all training for Leh Ladakh. Now this is the real water crossing, guys. I'll show you what is water crossing. This is Anmod Ghat water crossing. Or no. Or they have just filled everything, I don't know. No, it's still there, Oh, that moved. That just moved. Oh, my full bike is moving, dude. Ah, God. Oh, God. That was the first water crossing. Now, coming is the second water crossing, I think. Everything needs confidence. Oh, with water it is less confidence. Now I'll be out of water to gain more confidence. Both legs down, but still no confidence. Now where to go? Oh God. Another water crossing, guys. See, this is one water crossing. Yes. Yeah. Leh Ladakh, I'm coming. Look at that. Look at that water crossing. Look at this water crossing. Full power water crossing. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady. Bike घोड्यावर wins the race. देवा तुम्ही देवाला सारखं Oh, that was nice. Oh, that water crossing was nice. Both the legs down, chin up, and rev it up. Yay! Mission successful. Kandeli. If you go straight, it's Molam. Molam, Goa. I think that was the last obstacle. I think directly the checkpost and then Molam. Okay, now we have finally reached the checkpost. This is the place where I had tea in the morning. And the right road goes to Belgavi, straight road goes to Goa. Again going through the clouds in the Ghats. Anything? Because I cannot. Woo! Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. I have to do it more safer. More safer. I just stopped to show one waterfall, not exactly waterfall but a small stream. And the bike and the view, which is very pretty. Mission accomplished. Okay, now I have reached home at around 4 o'clock I reached home. While coming home, it was really heavily near the Ghats. It was a little bit late, but चलता है. 4 hours 30 minutes is more than enough to come slow and steady.